In this video, we'll explore the cscart Customer Profile Page add-on, a feature designed to enhance the look and feel of the customer profile page, helping admins create an attractive layout that improves user engagement. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. This is our admin panel. Now, go to the Add-ons section and click on Downloaded Add-ons. Here, you'll see the Recently Installed section. Click on it. As you can see, I have already installed the Customer Profile Page add-on. Now, click on it and go to the Settings section. From here, you can set the value for the Show Product Limit on the Customer Profile page and also set the value for the Show Order Limit on the Customer Profile Preview page. You can also enable or disable the Gravatar option from here. Here, you can enter the contact URL, which will be displayed on the customer profile page. You can also enter the API key for the location. After completing all the configurations, click on the Save button, and the changes will be successfully saved. Now, go to the Website section and click on Themes. Once it opens, click on Layouts. Here, you'll see the Profile Page tab. Click on it. You'll find multiple blocks that can be customized as per your requirements for the profile page. This completes the admin side configuration. Now let's go to the storefront. At the top, you'll see the My Account button. Click on it and then click on the My Profile link. This is the customer's profile page where you can view contact information, shipping details, and billing addresses. Here, you can also see the map, latest orders, and latest products. You'll find the Edit Profile link. Click on it. From here, you can upload your profile image and edit your email, password, and other information as needed. For now, I've updated the zip code. Then click on the Agree button and click Save. The profile page has been updated successfully. Here, you can see the wish list page. Click on it. You can add products to your wish list. For now, we are adding this product to our wish list, so to add it, click on Add to Wish List. After that, go to My Account, then click on My Profile and open the wish list section. As you can see, our product has been successfully added to the wish list. You'll also find a Contact button here. If you have entered a link from the admin panel, it will redirect you to that URL. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.